Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you how to buy the cryptocurrency XRP step by step. This we're gonna do on the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world right now and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save another 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08. So the first step will be the registration, so therefore I put a link in the video description. If you click it, you will come to the right registration page and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After you created your account, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you click here on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit some fiat money, so therefore you just do it by clicking here on verify and also on this verify button to increase your limit. If this is done, you can start deposit some money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, but you can also click here on crypto and deposit some Bitcoin. If this is fine, you just click here in this field and how much money you want to transfer, and after you click here on continue. Now you get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer, so just go into your online banking and use the information to do the transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive, and if it has arrived you just click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot. There you have an overview of all your assets, all your fiat money and all your cryptocurrencies. The first step will be that you check if the money has arrived. And if the money has arrived, we firstly buy Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin we can buy XRP. Therefore you just click here on trade and then on Bitcoin Euro or your local currency. After you come to the trading view where you can buy Bitcoin, in my case with Euro. Therefore you just scroll down, click here on market order, and here you can decide how much of your available euros you want to invest in Bitcoin. For example 50% or 100%, and if this is fine you just click here on buy Bitcoin. After you bought Bitcoin you can go back into your spot wallet, and here you can now use your Bitcoin to buy XRP by searching for it and then click here on trade. There you can now choose the trading per XRP Bitcoin here, so that you can use your Bitcoin now to buy XRP. Therefore you scroll down again, click here on market, and here you can also decide how much money of your Bitcoin you want to invest in XRP. If this is fine, you just click on buy XRP, and if you want to sell your XRP, you just use the right side and click here on sell XRP. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like and have a nice day. Bye bye.